Cruise control by all means. Put both feet in. If you don't have a clutch, that means put both feet on the brakes. Get the car to stop.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright. Don't judge me if I roast him. Take off.
Hey, if you don't do that, you're not trying hard enough.
Yeah.
736, 52,736. That was a 1.1 second improvement.
But you made it. You're good. You're good. Hey, there you go.
Oh, damn, okay.
60 seconds.
I'm still second, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but by a fraction of a second.
Yeah.
I've never heard tires scream more.
It's so bad. Oh, shit. I just gotta...
For the tires, though, that felt pretty good.
Yeah, I gotta tame that understeer, and then we'll be alright.
In STU. Staying in STU, actually, you're 74. Tap the source, no up there, but is your leader 52,916. 52,916 for car 75 STU. Currently sitting on a 1.6 second lead in STU. Over to G Street with your new leader.
Hell yeah.
Wow, 1.4 second improvement to take the lead in G Street. 59,381. 59,381 for your new leader in G Street with a .837 lead right now.
8/10? Hell yeah.
Both drivers still have 2 runs to go, so there's plenty of time to swap leaders in G Street. But that's going to be a fun class to watch right now this morning as well. But stays in that 7th position in STU today. Staying in STU, number 75, your current winner and leader of STU. Wow! Oh no, I thought that was improvement. That was just slower. So you went about 3 seconds slower on that run for some reason. Not sure what happened there. So no help, but you are in the lead. Looks like you have 1 run left. You've done 4. You have a 1.6 second lead right now. Jason Wood. They still has 1 run left to go and try to chase down Victor. You need to find about 0.6 seconds. Just because you're getting slower. second improvement catapults you into the first place for Jake. 58.802, 58.802.
Yes,
that
sir.
is your new leader in G Street with a 1.4 second lead, with both drivers with one more run to go. Into sixth place, and that'd be out of break the beam. What do they get? Oh no, no help there. A little bit slower. 59.617 stays in seventh place in STU. STU has a couple of drivers that might still have one run left. Jason Wood, last run, I believe it is. A little bit slower. Snow up there. P with a 57.202. 57.202. Next car through the lights will be STU. Todd stays in the fourth position. That is just one out of the trophy. Jumping in that third and final trophy position in STU today. Next car through the lights was G Street 43. Tad bit slower, no help, but is your winner. Jake is going to take the win today in G Street with a 58.858 for their last run. We're going to be moving back over to ladies class. Kelly, your current